Do you own a business and still have no official domain and website for it? Did you know that over 80% of business ventures that are closing their doors in the modern times are doing so because they are failing to see the importance of having proper online exposure? Being on social media is simply not enough in the competitive world that we are experiencing today. Your competitors are making sure their website is packed with great features and their social media is working as a bridge to redirect traffic to their own domain. Never forget that you do not own your social media page. It is a free service that you do not own, and you need your website in order to have total control of your online exposure. If you're looking for the best web hosting, you have come to the right place. At InMotion Hosting, we have the most efficient web hosting services available on the market. We provide guaranteed excellence, and there is no downtime or slowdown with our servers. Some of the advantages of working with InMotion includes blazing fast solid-state drives, which is 20 times faster than spinning drives, free domain with your hosting purchase, 24/7 365 US-based support customer service, secure connections, increased disk space, increased bandwidth and random access memory or RAM, and 30-day money-back guarantee. We've been reviewed as the top 2 web hosting service providers in 2015. Now is the time to take your business to a whole new level, and you can do it at a really affordable price too. We at InMotion Hosting will help you in every aspect of your web design and hosting needs, and this is going to allow you to increase productivity and boost your earnings. Our 100% satisfaction guarantee leaves no doubt that we are the right host for you. Click our link, contact us today, and supercharge your business like never before.